Adam Equipment's CPWPLUS floor scales provide durability and easy operation. With numerous features, these rugged scales are ideal for weighing oversized items in industrial, shipping and receiving, and warehouse applications, or to weigh animals in any setting. The CPWPLUS M offers a medium-sized stainless steel platform that is suitable for measuring containers of produce at a wholesale market or for weighing large boxes in shipping and warehouse operations. Popular with veterinarians, CPWPLUS L boasts a sizable stainless steel platform that is excellent for weighing large dogs or other animals. The handle and wheels allow the scale to be maneuvered easily in any setting. At the heart of the scale lies the indicator, housed in sturdy aluminum casing and featuring a 4-button keypad. The indicator contains a backlit digital display with large, easy-to-read digits. A standard wall mounting bracket is included with the indicator. A hold function freezes the displayed weight, making it easier to capture the weight of moving animals or liquids. This also allows ample time for the user to record the results. For easy and fast connection to a printer or computer, the CPWPLUS M and L scales feature an RS-232 port. Powered with a rechargeable battery, CPWPLUS M and L platform scales are the right choice for animal and industrial weighing tasks.